Welcome to the project demonstration video of BTS site monitoring system. The main task of the system is to monitor the BTS site along with the diesel tank installed over there, the BTS cabinet door and everything. Now this is a tank. It will be completely secured by our system. Like no one can steal the diesel from there. This is the top lid of the tank and it will be secured by a limit switch which will be planted inside the tank, and whenever the lid get open the system will generate an alarm to the vendors or anyone who is the concerned person to monitor the sites. Now this is the bottom check net of the tank. This is most probably used for cleaning of the tank, and if this bottom check net goes down, the switch which is installed over here will generate the alarm. Now have a look at the system. This is the system over here we have, and there is a GSM modem installed on that system, and along with the LCD display of the fuel level and the temperature at the site. Now have a look at this is the limit switch which will be planted at the bottom check nut, and similarly there will be another switch which will be planted on the top lid, which is located over here. Whenever the top lid gets open, the switch will generate the alarm. Now this is the level sensor which is giving out the values in analog form. Now have a look at the working of the system. The system is switched on, and the threshold temperature is now being set for the site. Have a look at the LCD display. This is the 33 degrees centigrade. We have set the temperature over there. The current temperature displaying is 14 degrees centigrade over here, and the fuel level is set to 122 liters. Now these are the values which will be constantly displayed on the LCD screen at the monitoring site. Now have a look at the tank. This is the top lid of the model tank, and whenever this top lid gets open, the alarm will be generated because of that limit switch installed over there. Now since the lid is opened, now the alarm is generated to the vendor on his cell phone. Now have a look at the message received at the cell phone. This displays that the record is from site number 1. It's an example site. The temperature over there is 15 degrees centigrade. Oil volume shows that 41 liters is present over there, and including the other details. Now have a look at the software which will receive the message and update in the database. The top most column will display from the site last value is received, the temperature of that corresponding site, and the oil volume of that site. Now these are the indicators right at the last received value column below: the temperature indicator, the volume indicator, security alert indicator, which is because of those limit switches. Now have a look at the details of the database. These indicators will turn into red whenever any alarm is generated from. And now have a look at the way that data will be displayed in the database. This is the following manner, and serial number, date, time, temperature, oil volume, and security alerts respectively. Everything will be displayed. Thank you. So this is how the working model works of site monitoring system, and we can monitor our sites about their fuel consumption and any security threat generated from any site by sitting in our office. Thank you for your time.